We are pleased to show you the 2014 Kia Forte Coupe. The world has never seen anything like this. A unique combination of class-leading standard horsepower, fuel efficiency, and advanced standard features. The Kia Forte Coupe, the first of its kind. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, HomeLink garage door opener, AM/FM stereo with CD player, fog lights, power door locks, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, side airbag, leather seats, tilt steering wheel cruise control, power driver's seat, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.